What is heart transplantation? It involves the replacement of a person's damaged or diseased heart by a healthy human taken from a donor in whom brain death has been certified. Heart transplantation in animals was first achieved in 1959. The first human heart transplant was performed by Professor Christian Bernard in South Africa in 1967. What are the limiting factors for heart transplant surgery? Problem of timing. A heart transplant is possible only when a suitable donor heart is available at the right time. Problem of fallback system. If the heart is rejected, attacked by the body's immune system, the only hope for the patient is another transplant. Problem in the certification of brain death. The success of heart transplant lies in allowing the doctors to certify brain death while the heart was beating. Heart is generally removed for transplantation from a person certified for brain death by the doctors.